In this video, we will compare sole proprietorship and LLC and explore the key differences between these two common business structure so you can help your business steer in the right direction. And if you need help choosing between sole proprietorship and LLC, you can contact Zen Business and Inc. Their link is posted in the description below. And with that being in mind, let's get started. Overview. When starting a business, one of the typical decisions you'll face is choosing the right business structure. Two popular options for individuals and small businesses are sole proprietorships and limited liability companies. While both have their advantages and disadvantages, understanding the differences between them is essential for making an informed choice that align with your business goals and needs. In this video, we'll explore the intricacies of sole proprietorships and LLCs, helping you decide which structure is best fit for your entrepreneurial journey. Sole proprietorship, the basics. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business structure, often chosen by individuals who wish to start a business without going through the formalities of creating a separate legal entity. Here's what you need to know. Ownership and liability. A sole proprietorship has only one owner, which can be an individual or a business entity. There's no legal separation between the owner and the business, meaning the owner is personally responsible for all business debts and obligations. Personal assets are at risk if the business faces legal issues or financial difficulties. Taxation. Sole proprietors report business income expenses on their personal tax returns, usually on Schedule C. They pay personal income tax on the profits generated by the business. Sole proprietors are also responsible for self-employed taxes, including Social Security and Medicare. Suitability. Sole proprietorships are a practical choice for freelancers, consultants, and individuals starting small businesses. It's ideal for those not ready to invest in the paperwork and costs associated with forming an LLC. Limited liability company, the essentials. An LLC is a distinct legal entity created by filing necessary paperwork with the state. Here's what sets it apart from sole proprietorships. Ownership and liability. An LLC can have one owner or multiple members. It offers a crucial advantage: personal liability protection. This means the owner's personal assets are generally shielded from business debts and legal claims against the company. An LLC's bankruptcy is separate from the owner's, providing an extra layer of protection. An LLC can protect you from liability for their actions within the scope of their employment. Taxation. Single-member LLCs are typically taxed in the same manner as sole proprietorships, with income and expenses reported on the owner's personal tax return. However, LLCs have tax flexibility. They can elect to be taxed as an S corporation or a C corporation, allowing owners to optimize their tax structure. Corporate taxation can be advantageous for certain businesses, potentially reducing self-employment taxes and enabling retirement planning. When to choose an LLC? Consider forming an LLC if you plan to expand your business to multiple owners in the future. Opt for an LLC if you want to protect your personal assets from potential financial and legal liabilities. Explore the tax benefits offered by an LLC, which vary depending on your location and business type. Operating your business, sole proprietorship versus LLC. Operating your business differs depending on whether you choose a sole proprietorship or an LLC. Here's what you need to know. Sole proprietorship. There's no strict requirement to separate personal and business finances, but it's advisable for better financial management and tax reporting. While not mandatory, having a separate business bank account simplifies tracking expenses and income. Contracts and agreements are typically signed in your name as the owner, not on behalf of a separate business entity. You are personally responsible for all aspects of your business, including debts and legal matters. LLC. Maintaining a clear separation between personal and business finances is crucial for preserving liability protection. This includes having a dedicated business bank account. Contracts and agreements are signed on behalf of the LLC, emphasizing its separate and legal identity. An LLC provides a layer of protection by limiting personal liability, making it an attractive choice for those concerned about legal risks. Tax considerations. Sole proprietors report income and expenses on Schedule C of their personal tax returns. LLC owners also report income and expenses on their personal returns unless they choose corporate taxation, in which the tax structure may differ. Business legitimacy and credit. Operating as an LLC may enhance your business's legitimacy, and clients may perceive it as more professional. Establishing business credit is easier with an LLC compared to a sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship versus LLC. Formation and registration costs. The costs and requirements for forming and registering a sole proprietorship or an LLC can vary by state. Here's a general overview. Sole proprietorship, minimal cost. There are typically no formal registration fees for sole proprietorship. Simplicity. Little paperwork is required, making it an accessible option for startups and small businesses. No separate legal entity. Since it's not a distinct entity, there's no need to file separate business taxes. LLC. Formation costs. Establishing an LLC involves filing articles of organization with the state, which may incur filing fees. These fees can vary significantly depending on your location. Annual fees. Some states require LLCs to pay annual fees or franchise taxes. Additional paperwork. LLCs may need to file annual reports and adhere to certain compliance requirements. Separate legal entity. An LLC is a distinct legal entity, requiring separate tax filings and bookkeeping. In conclusion, choosing between a sole proprietorship and an LLC is a significant decision for any entrepreneur. While sole proprietorship offers simplicity and low initial costs, LLCs provide essential advantages such as personal liability protection and tax flexibility. The right choice for your business depends on your long-term goals, financial situation, and risk tolerance. If you plan to expand your business, protect your personal assets, or optimize your tax structure, forming an LLC may be the better option. However, if you're just starting or have a small, low-risk business, a sole proprietorship could suffice initially. Remember that the choice between a sole proprietorship and an LLC is a pivotal step in your entrepreneurial journey, and it's crucial to weigh the benefits and drawbacks carefully. Make an informed decision that best suits your business objectives and financial situation to set your venture onto the path to success. Ultimately, consulting with a qualified accountant or legal professional is highly recommended to ensure you make an informed decision that aligns with your specific circumstances. Whether you choose the simplicity of a sole proprietorship or the added protection of an LLC, your business structure should support your entrepreneurial journey and financial goals. Contact Zen Business and Inc. File so that they can help you choose between sole proprietorship or LLC. Their link is in the description box below. So there you have it. Sole proprietorship versus LLC. Which business structure are you going to go for? Please let me know in the comment section down below. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.